Good morning. Good morning. So, yeah, get ready to me. It's Saturday. I just want to do my makeup. I don't know what I'm getting into today, but I want to do my makeup and style one of my synthetic wigs that I'm going to be uploading a video on pretty soon. So, just got a shower, washed my face. I have on like a chemical exfoliant. Yeah, it's so windy outside. I don't know if y'all can hear that. My window is rattling. But anyways, I have on a chemical exfoliant. I let that sit for a while. So I'm about to put on this. What is this? Sunscreen? I only wear this when it's like when I wear makeup on top of it because it turns your face white. So it is very cloudy today. It's going to be raining all day. So if I leave the house, you know, I should be okay. But I'm still with using that chemical exfoliant. I do not want to go outside without having on an exfoliant, without having on a sunscreen. My lips are dry. I just brushed my teeth. So I'm just going to put on a lip gloss. This is nothing, like I'm not using this for any specific reason, but this is the Fenty Heat. I'm just going to put this on because my lips are so dry. Alright, so I am going to put on a primer. I have extremely oily skin, so I'm just using my Becca primer. And these two don't typically mix well together, but it is what it is. Alright, so primer is on. I did my makeup recently where dang it, where I did my foundation and then I went in and I did my eyebrows. I usually do my eyebrows first and then put on foundation. But yeah, I'm gonna do my foundation, the Fenty in the color, the shade 450. Y'all, my voice is, yeah. My allergies are giving me such a hard time. Wait, my face is tingling. I don't know. I could be, like, I probably did that wrong. I probably should have just did the exfoliant at night, which I usually do it at night. But last night I was too tired to do my skincare. Why does it look so red all of a sudden? And my makeup looked so good the other day. So what is happening? Did I use this color or did I use 440? I look red, don't I? Oh, my face is tingling. Oh, y'all, I messed up. I shouldn't have did that. I'm new to this, so, you know, I'm learning. So don't drag me in the comments, please. I'm going to go in and set my under eyes. This is definitely a get ready with me and not a tutorial because I'm not a makeup artist. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. So I don't know why I'm showing y'all, but in case y'all wondering. And what I'm going to do is set my lids as well. And of course, I'm using the Sasha Buttercup powder. Per usual, per my last email, I used these from Dollar Tree, these brow pencils. See, this has been happening to all of my, anything that has like one of these little stove foot applicators on it. So I don't know what to do. Excuse me. Dang it, I just flung concealer everywhere. I'm making a mess. because it's cloudy, I just can't get the lighting right. So I'm hoping the lighting is good on y'all end. It's not dark, but it's just like trying to see my makeup. It's like certain things I need to have a light on. Certain things, you know, it needs to be off so I can have more, you know, precision. But so far, I actually like my eyebrows. I like this color. I'm going to have to order another one of these. This is ColourPop in the color Deep Dark 50. So, yeah, and it's pretty much empty. It's a little bit at the bottom. So I need to go to Ulta and get one of those. So yeah, I'm going to set that. I have a little bit of extra powder on my brush. Okay, I like using a blush on my lids. So I have Fever and Raisin. I think I used Fever on my lids the other day. I did a dumb thing. I went and got one of these freaking liner pens, and I can't use it. Let me try to use it while y'all watching. Let's see. I don't really like it. But I'm gonna do this side because it's gotta match. And I need to lotion these hands, honey. See, it runs out of ink or liner so fast. This is why I just like to use just a liner in a bottle. Let me just go ahead and do my concealer. And I wanted to use that concealer. My Fenty concealer just fell. I'm not getting it. You know what I'm gonna use? The old trusty Old Faithful MAC. What is this? NC50? NW40, sorry. Because that's kind of like close to the color. So add a little bit to my chin, even though there's no concealer there. Okay. I need to brush that off like ASAP. But I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of seconds. And I need to put on my lashes. I want to try a different pair of lashes. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw this in the trash because I don't have time for it. You playing with me. These are super long. I'm scared of them. Bronzer. Of course, I'm still using my CoverGirl Queen bronzer that no longer is in production for some dumb reason. I ain't even gonna lie, these lashes are fire. They're like the perfect length for me. Because I'm not like, I like long lashes, but they can't be long and thick. But I love these. They give such a dramatic look, but yet they're kind of subtle-ish. But that's basically it for my makeup. I need to do some lipstick, don't I? Or at least put on some liner. Where's my liner? Where is my liner? I don't know where my liner is. So I don't really know how the girls be doing their liner and the lip gloss. Because it's just like, I mean, this is how I look with mine, and it just, it's not giving what I want it to give. I guess because my lips are, can y'all believe I used to wear this lip gloss alone, like by itself? Whatever. I'm about to go wash my hands and put some lotion on these things, and I'm gonna be back. But first things first, we're gonna plug in the flat iron because we're about to straighten our Synthetica. This is my first time really doing this, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna turn it all the way down to the lowest setting. I, in fact, did not put any lotion on my hands. I forgot. But this is the wig. And I will link the video review or unboxing or whatever of this wig below. But it is, this is the label. I like the wig. I feel like it's pretty decent for a full synthetic wig. It's not a frontal, but I feel like I didn't want to get makeup on it. I feel like sis can use a little TLC. I just feel like it looks like a costume wig, and it could be. I have an Afro costume wig in there, but we don't want it to look like that. So either if it's going to be curled, it needs to be curled, and it also needs to be layered. It's going to be curled. Like one side is layered and the other side isn't. Or maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I forgot I was recording. Okay. So you're like a stripper named Chocolate. That's my stripper name, Chocolate. I feel like I would like chocolate vanilla swirl. Wait, no, don't. No, I'll take that back. Okay, so this is basically how it looks. Straightened. Is it giving Mary J. Blige? I need to get this piece. Have that covered. Well, this is pretty much it. Like, I kind of just wanted it to be straight because I didn't like how stringy it looked when it was like had those curls in it. And the bang. Is that the sun? No. Baby, this is like having on a sun visor. It's a built-in sun visor. And again, this is the wig, and I have a video out on this wig. I just wanted to come in and style it a little. Give her a little something. But yeah, I'm about to film a TikTok, and yeah, that's it. Bye.